Hello students, let us discuss the chapter three-dimensional geometry. Suppose we have any point in a plane, then how to locate that point in a plane? Suppose a, x, y is any point in a plane, then what is its x coordinate? The distance of this point A from the y-axis is called as the x coordinate, and the distance of the point A from the x-axis is called as the y coordinate. Now, suppose the same point is in space, then how to trace or how to locate that point? For that one, we will consider three mutually perpendicular planes. They intersect along three lines. This is the point here. So let us take one by one. Now consider two planes which are intersecting along a line. Consider one more plane which is intersecting these two planes perpendicularly, and the line of intersection of these three planes, those are called as the coordinate axis. So that is x-axis here, and this is y-axis and z-axis. The point of intersection of these three mutually perpendicular lines is called as the origin, and it is denoted by the symbol O. Usually, we will take the xy plane or the horizontal plane as xy plane, and the distances are measured from the origin. The distance measured from the origin along OX is taken as positive. Similarly, the distance measured along OX dash is taken as negative. The distance measured along OY is taken as positive, and the distance measured along OY dash is taken as negative. And OZ is the positive z-axis and OZ dash is negative z-axis. The plane containing x and y axis, this plane is called as XOY plane or XY plane. The plane which contains the y-axis and z-axis, that plane is called as YZ plane or YOZ plane. And the plane containing z-axis and x-axis, that is called as ZOX plane or ZX plane. These three planes divide the space into 8 octants. See, in two-dimensional geometry, the two coordinate axes will divide the plane into 4 quadrant. Quad and 4. Similarly, in three-dimensional geometry, the 3 axes will divide the space into 8 parts, and each part is called as octant. This is the first one, second one, third one, fourth octant, fifth octant, sixth one, seventh one, and 8th octant. What is the first octant? So actually this is named as XOYZ octant because it is enclosed by x-axis, y-axis, z-axis and O. Similarly, we can name the second octant. Second octant is enclosed by y-axis, OX dash and z-axis. So therefore, it is named as YOX dash Z. Similarly, you can name the other octants. Now, how to locate any point in space? Suppose we have a point P is any point in space. how to locate that one? So on the two-dimensional geometry, easily we know, we have already seen. Suppose we have a point P here. The coordinates of this point P, let us take it as x, y, z. Now, what is the x coordinate of this point? What is the meaning of x coordinate? The x coordinate of this point P is the distance of the point P from the YZ plane. So that means we have to draw a perpendicular to YZ plane. So that this distance is nothing but x coordinate. The y coordinate is distance of this point P from the XZ plane. And Z coordinate is distance of this point P from the XY plane. So this is about the coordinates of a point in space. The coordinates of the origin are, we are taking it as 0, 0, 0. So let us discuss the same thing in the other way. P be any point, draw a perpendicular from the point P to XY plane, let it meets at Q, draw one more perpendicular to x-axis, let this perpendicular meet at R, and this OR is x coordinate, RQ is y coordinate, and QP is the z coordinate of the point P. Let us just go in the reverse order. OR is x coordinate, RQ is y coordinate, and QP is the z coordinate. See, one more thing we have to observe here is, if you take, this is actually x coordinate. The x coordinate now illunu tagobodu. So this distance, illi one parallel line elidre, this distance is also x coordinate. And illunu astene, if you just draw a line parallel to here on the x axis, so illi barutte. So one parallelogram agutte. Parallelogram actually adu rectangle, namge illi ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು parallelogram. So ಈ distance ಅನ್ನೋದು y coordinate ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ತಗೋಬಹುದು. Next is, suppose we have any point in x axis. What are the coordinates of any point in the x axis? The point may be anywhere in the x axis. So now just two-dimensional geometry nalli we will imagine such a point. If we have any point in x-axis, then it is of the form x, 0 because its y coordinate is 0. Y coordinate is the vertical distance. Allirodilla vertical distance, only horizontal distance matra ide. So it is of the form x, 0. Similarly, if any point is on the x-axis, its x coordinate will be there. This length is, suppose if you take this one as some r here, so OR is the x coordinate, it will be there. But its y coordinate is 0. So even you y coordinate andre enu, illinda ee kadege one line edkomandre, this will be y coordinate and the height will be z coordinate. So it is on the x axis, so height irodilla. Therefore z coordinate to 0, y coordinate to 0. Ee length irodilla. So any point on the y x axis is of the form x 0 0. ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆದ್ರೆ 3 0 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ 6 0 0. ಇದು 6 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 6 0 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Similarly, if you take any point on the y axis, it is of the form 0 y 0. Why? Because the y coordinate is this one. This is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate, and height will be the z coordinate. So, illi x coordinate, ee length illa. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಲೆಂತ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಲೆಂತ್, ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಒಂದು 3 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್. ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಲೆಂತ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 0. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಲೆಂತ್ ಇದೆ, we are measuring the distance along the y axis, hence y coordinate will be there, but z coordinate will be 0. Height irodilla, so z coordinate will be 0. So any point on the z axis is of the form 0 y 0. This is a very important concept you have to understand. Next, similarly, any point on the z axis, it will be of the form 0 0 z. So for this one, x coordinate irodilla, y coordinate irodilla, but z coordinate height matra irutte. Now, any point on the xy plane. So any point in the xy plane is of the form xy, 0, because xy plane alli idre adradu vertical distance athwa height annodi irodilla. So height will be 0. For example, if you have 2 points here, x and 2 2 0 and 6 minus 3 0. So 2 2 0 annu height irodilla. So that's why it is on the xy plane. So z coordinate 0 adre namge ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, it is on the xy plane. Z coordinate 0, z ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದ ಎರಡು ಯಾವುದು, xy plane. Similarly, any point on the yz plane. So yz plane is of the form 0yz, because its x coordinate will be 0. X coordinate andre ee length irutte, ee length illa, the point is on the yz plane. Actually x coordinate andre enu, distance of any point from the yz plane. So point ಅನ್ನೋದು yz plane ಮೇಲೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆ distance ಅನ್ನೋದು 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So therefore any point in the yz plane, that its x coordinate will be 0. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ distance ಅನ್ನೋದು x coordinate, ಈ distance ಇರೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದರದ್ದು x coordinate 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ x coordinate 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದಾಗ x coordinate 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ x coordinate 2, ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ x coordinate 1, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ x coordinate 0, ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ x coordinate 2, x coordinate 1. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ x coordinate 0. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ತರ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದ್ರೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಗೋಡೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಈ yz ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು x coordinate ಅನ್ನೋದು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Similarly, if you have any point on the zx plane, so any point in the zx plane is of the form 0 x0 z. ಸೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ coordinate 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, y coordinate 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ y coordinate 0? This is y coordinate. Y coordinate is measured like this. So when it is on the zx plane, ಅದು x coordinate ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ನೀವು ಈ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಗೋಡೆ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. So what is its x coordinate? E length ಅನ್ನೋದು x coordinate. What is its z coordinate? The height. This length will be the z coordinate. So ಇದೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾನು, its x coordinate is this one. The distance of the point from the yz plane, that is x coordinate. So x coordinate ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈ distance. What is the height? Height ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ height ಅನ್ನೋದು z coordinate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. y coordinate ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ distance of this point from zx plane. ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು zx plane ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ. So therefore y coordinate will be 0. So any point in yz plane will be of the form x 0 z. We can locate any point using the intersection of 3 planes also. So for that one, consider a plane which is at a distance of x units from the yz plane. Consider another plane which is at a distance of y units from the xz plane. One more plane is considered which is at a distance of z units from the xy plane. Now consider the line of intersection of these 3 planes. So these are the line of intersections. Now the point of intersection of these 3 lines, that is nothing but the point P. See what we observe in this one. This is x coordinate. ಈ x coordinate ಅನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ. This is also x coordinate. And similarly, actually ನಾವು previous diagram ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. This is y coordinate. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ. Parallel distance ಅನ್ನು ತಗೋಬಹುದು. This is also y coordinate. Similarly, the height ನಾವು previous diagram ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ z coordinate. ನೀವು parallel distance ಅನ್ನು ತಗೋಬಹುದು. This is also z coordinate. Now, the 3 planes, these 3 planes will divide the space into 8 parts. So you can see the 8 parts here. The 3 planes. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 planes ಇದೆ. So these 3 planes will divide into 8 parts. See second part, third part, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, and eighth one. Now just we can just recall, if you consider the coordinate axis, x-axis and y-axis will divide this plane into 4 quadrant. ಅಲ್ಲಿ quadrant ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, quad ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 4 ಅಂತ. ಅದೇ ನಾವು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ it will divide the space, under 3 coordinate axis will divide the space into 8 parts, and these parts are called as octant. Octa andre 8. So these 8 octants, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ first ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, that is called as the first room. ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಹೇಗೆ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದು 2 ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. If you take a 2-store building, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ರೂಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. This is the first room, second room, third room, fourth room. So this is the first octant, second octant, third octant, and the fourth octant. ಕೆಳಗಡೆನೂ ಸಹ 4 ರೂಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So what are the 4 ರೂಮ್ ಏನು ಆಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, that is 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. So next in the video we are going to discuss if we are given any point like this. So ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯಾವ ಆಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.